Here's Baby and Moogle's litter. There's Lovey. There's Marianne and Haas. So Haas is such, oh, he just wants to be held. He's trying to get up. There's Baby playing a bit roughly with her and Haas. Oh, and there's Ginger. And Lovey. Lovey! And there's Boog, the neighbor's dog, looking at the puppies. There's Baby, the mommy. What are you guys getting into? Come on, guys! Come on. Come on, guys. They love their mommy.